Imagine living in your own country, but laws, money, jobs, even justice, सब कुछ किसी और के कंट्रोल में हो. This frustration is known as discontent against British rule. But why did Indians finally say, बस अब और नहीं? Let's understand. British rule in India did not face opposition overnight. ये slowly over time लोगों के दिमाग और दिल में anger, frustration और resentment build करता गया. By the early 20th century, this discontent had turned into open protest and mass movements. इन सब का एक सबसे बड़ा reason था economic exploitation. British came as traders but stayed as rulers. British policies destroyed the Indian industry, especially handlooms and handicrafts. Second, Indian raw materials were sent to Britain और वहाँ बने goods इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा expensive बेचे जाते थे. Farmers were forced to grow cash crops like indigo, cotton and tea instead of food crops. इसका result क्या हुआ? Poverty, unemployment and heavy taxation. Means British rule का मतलब था इंडिया गरीब होता गया और ब्रिटेन अमीर होता गया. Second is social and cultural insult. British rulers believed that they were racially superior. Indians were treated as second-class citizens. Indian customs, traditions, and religions were often mocked and disrespected. People, places, clubs, trains, racial discrimination was very common over there. अब अपने ही देश में हम पराये लगने लगे थे. थर्ड था पॉलिटिकल एक्सप्लॉइटेशन, जहाँ पे नो रियल पावर मींस इंडियन के पास कोई भी लॉ मेकिंग पावर नहीं थी. Important decisions were taken in Britain, not India. Even educated Indians were excluded from higher posts, and this led to the rise of nationalist leaders, formation of political organizations, and demand for Swaraj means self-rule. अब इसमें कुछ immediate factors भी थे. अब आते हैं those events that acted like petrol on fire. Means Rawle Act Act 1919 allowed British to arrest anyone without trial, suspended basic civil liberties like freedom of speech. Public का reaction क्या आया इससे? ये तो dictatorship है भाई. Mass protest आया और mass protest broke out all over India. Then comes Jallianwala Bagh massacre, 1919 again. Peaceful crowd gathered in Amritsar. British officer General Dyer ordered open firing. Hundreds of innocent men, women, and children were killed, and this incident shocked the entire nation, destroyed faith in British justice, turned moderate Indians into revolutionaries. Matlab, Jallianwala Bagh was not just a massacre, it was a turning point. Here comes the First World War impact. India was dragged into the war without consent. High taxes, forced recruitment, and inflation promise to self-rule were not fulfilled after the war. And result क्या आया? Anger, betrayal equals to mass nationalism. So conclusion है, discontent against British rule developed due to economic exploitation, social humiliation and political exclusion. ये वीडियो अर्नव के लिए थी. आपको कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है? To let me know in the comment box.